Greetings, my name is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see me enact my trades. 6:57 a.m. Central Time. The market is going to open in 3 minutes. We are trading the pound dollar pair, and here's something that I'm seeing. When I look at the one hour chart, I can tell that we are in a mini consolidation period. Look at this price as, even though interestingly, we're getting higher highs and higher lows. Look at that. Are we getting higher? We're getting higher lows, but not necessarily higher highs. So that's an interesting thing. So first of all, and if you look at this trend line, price action right now is definitely under the trend line. So we have this. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart is telling a similar story. And what I'm going to do, and if you've been following me, you'll know by now that I enjoy drawing lines because it gives me a perspective of where support and resistance lines are. And that gives me a sense of where trades might start or begin. Might start or end. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Price action has not broken this level. And of course, it's not broken this level as well. I'm going to put this blue. And what am I sensing? If you were to look at price from here to here, 11 points down. I can't really predict yet. Even though here I'm getting this trade ended here and reversed. Are we gonna get a movement back up? Let's see if we are. Something interesting has happened here. So price action went down indeed, 7, and has reached a low, now is rallying, and it's almost crossing the 30 and 20 period SMA. You know, I think this might be it. This is a good trade. Let's see. How many? We have 20 minutes. Here's what I'm seeing right now. If the next candle crosses this, I will get into this trade. If it crosses this high, I'm definitely in this trade. It's my life. It's now or never. The moment it becomes green, I'm in. But then I'm going to wait. See, this is the value of waiting. This is why we wait before. Wow. This is why we wait. Said that trade would have been a good trade. How many? Like 3 points. 3 points down. Let me see what I can, if indeed I get into this trade, what would be a good target? One. 2. I love having a target of a reward ratio, loss reward ratio of 1 to 3. So ideally, this would be the target. but then there's a chance prices go down. As you can tell here, there's a chance it goes down and crosses that low. So I'm definitely keeping myself open to this possibility. But then for that to happen, we want price action to cross not just those simple moving averages, but also this support line. It's now or never. I'm drawing a support line here as well. And I'm going to draw a support line here as well. This line is important. That was the previous pivot. And it's definitely essential that we keep this one in mind. Okay. 3 minutes in the market. 3 minutes, higher highs, and somewhat higher lows. This is a trend line. 3. I'm going to put this, have it put it a color of green. Honestly, what I look for is something decisive, breaking this. Or are we going to have a trend line break? Look at that. That's good. That's, see this here? That's a good candlestick formation. I will say I have a bias, and my bias is I'm looking for a reversal. I'm looking for a reversal, I will admit. So let's see where the market will lead us. 8 minutes in this trade, and we are definitely getting something close to a SMS, simple moving average line cross, but the market is not. It's deciding not to, let's see, what time was that here? That was, okay, around 7. It's not deciding to move. It's not deciding to move. From here to here, that's 3 points. I really feel that it's going to go down based on my analysis. All it needs is to cross this line decisively, of course. Decisively. Okay, we finally got something close to what I would call a sign for a trade. So I'm getting in this trade here. And ideally, if price action crosses this line, this would be our break even. And then I would prefer to exit somewhere here. Let's see what could be a good goal. A good goal could be this here, 36204. 624, somewhere here, exactly here. That would be a good goal. On the other hand, another way to know what could be a good goal is to attempt to measure this. One would be here, 2, 3. So this is, I'll put it down a little bit. This would be a good goal. And this is here what I would consider a point of exit. That means things are not working. Or that this trade is not yielding the results we're looking for. Okay, we are just above or point this RBI. Hopefully it crosses this line. Let's look at our other charts. 15. Okay, interestingly, here's what I'm seeing here. This level is an interesting level. It would need to cross it decisively for us to know it's not a red tape. 36177. 36. Okay, here's the problem. It did touch it. Man. Whoa. It did touch it and then reversed brutally. Hopefully it pulls back and crosses this. But interestingly, it did touch it. It did touch it. Hopefully it crosses it decisively. That line should be in red. I'm putting this line here as well. This is half. This line here is a reminder that if it crosses this again, that things are not working. Okay, let's go. Let's rally and cross this. Okay, it's doing this again. So 1, 2. This is the second time. And that's very important because if it doesn't cross the second time, I'll give it a third time. And if after the third time it doesn't cross it, we need to consider an exit. Again, I'm making sure. Let's go. We can do this. Okay. 718. The market is definitely being volatile here. I'm not gonna lie, if it doesn't reverse. Ooh. It doesn't reverse all the way up. I should exit. Is it gonna cross back the support line? If it does, there's nothing we can do. Let's see here. It wants to cross it, but not being decisive. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Okay. This This is a third time. See if it's gonna rally back up. If not, there's nothing we can do. Let's go. We need some momentum. Cross that red line. Get to the purple. Then possibly here. Okay. If it doesn't reverse, I'm out of this trade. Eleven, 9, 3 seconds. This is it's hard to tell me exactly what it's about to do. And if it What's going on? The market is not active. I'm telling you. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tries to break this. By the way, this is my patience is very thin. I could say here that if it's not breaking, it's time to go. Huh. $7.23. I think I'm gonna exit. Is it gonna cross the high? Finally. It crossed the last candle's high or touched it. Is it gonna cross the official high? Is it gonna cross the official high? It crossed it, but reversed. What's going on? Let's go. We can do this. Okay, it crossed it and reversing. Let's go. Let's go up. Let's go up. $7.24. Okay, it touched this point, which I'm very happy about. Now, if it reversed past, I'll just exit because the market is not yielding what I'm looking for. Okay, good, good, good. Finally, good. Okay, wow, okay. Now, wow, seriously? This is my point of exit here. If it reverses past this, I'm out. But it did touch our goal. It did touch our... Wow, seriously? Whew. This volatility is crazy. Wow. Is it gonna go back up or is it gonna go down? It did touch this, which is a good sign. Touch this goal. Let's look at, so it touched this line. Then touch this here, but got close. I have a feeling it's gonna rally back up. But that was very short-lived. Very, very short-lived. Very short-lived. $7.30, so price is rallying up. Let's see if it's gonna cross that high and cross the previous high. If it does, this would be amazing. Price is rallying up, $7.30. I hope there's enough momentum to at least reach the previous high. Touch this. 731. Let's hope there's enough momentum. Break even would be here, previous high, previous official awesome high. Let's hold this momentum. Let's do this. Putting my see if it's gonna cross the purple, which is a point. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's go. Let's cross this. Let's cross this. Okay. It's crossing it, but not decisively. Perfect. Let's see if it's gonna cross the previous high decisively and get at least to the purple, giving us at least 1 point. It did, but didn't commit to it. Okay, awesome. Oh, great, 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 awesome. Now, all I can do is, this is our high. I'm going to put my stop loss here, knowing that this is the point of no return. If it crosses this, should exit. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. If it doesn't continue its rise up, up. 2. Rise up, get to the purple, all the way to the green. Okay, this is possibly a time to exit here. It's not giving me the movement I'm looking for, but it definitely... Okay. Things are working perfectly fine, but for some reason, they had to do this. Wow. What a trade. 26-minute trading, and we were able to capture this amazing movement of the opening. That is huge. Although I'm very happy that we captured this trade here. We captured this and we got there, and it was short-lived. By the time it rallied back, I knew I risked this trade, the idea that it would rally back up, and I was right. Am I going to go back into another trade? No. And oh no, because that's definitely much more than I would bargain for. Now, this trade is an interesting one because what I'm getting, I did not get what I would call a 1-to-3 ratio. I did not get that. Or maybe I might get it later. But you know what's good? This is a classic good trade. It went straight into stochastics on oversold, telling us, you know what? We can expect a trade up. Simple moving average crossing all the other ones in a very decisive way. We also have, even better, a resistance line cross here. Amazing. And there is also a reason why we didn't go for a sell trade. Think about it. Trend is up. For us to go for a reversal trade, we need a super cross. We need something very decisive, crossing all the support resistance line, but also all the simple moving averages. And it did not do that. It almost did here, but failed to cross this one. Look at the market rallying up. Don't you love it? Don't you love when the market does that? You exit it, but it's telling you should have stayed. But of course, the rules are the rules. The rules are the rules, and this is all you have. In my long career as a trader, what I've come to realize is, do you want to focus on the money you have now, or focus on the money you can get later? The money you have now is the only thing that's promised, not the one that you might get later. So one thing I wanted to check, I wanted to analyze whether we get a 1-to-1 ratio here or simply a 1-to-2. That is very interesting. That's just a 1-to-1 ratio in the short trade. Now, what does that mean? That definitely means that there could be a chance that if we stayed, that it would do 1, 2, 3, go all the way up. There is that chance. That is definitely a possibility. But we are scalpers, and I'm gonna take whatever the market gives me. Thank you very much. Thank you for this trade. And remember, all you need is just one good trade. Thank you.